Tell you what, this is perfect hangover food. Hey there, I'm Cast Iron Katie. I'm Cast Iron Katie. I'm Cast Iron Katie. Doesn't that make a nice sound? Stove. Just a moment. So good. Hi there, I'm Cast Iron Katie, and in this video, I am on vacation. But when you're on vacation, you still have to eat. So I brought this beauty with me. We're going to make a breakfast casserole this morning. Let's get started. We'll start by frying a pound of bacon. Okay, while the bacon is finishing up, we will cut up some vegetables. Wow, that's a gross sound. I've reserved a little bit of the bacon grease there, and we're gonna go ahead and cook our onion down. We had some leftover potatoes and onions from dinner last night, and we'll use that. Or you could use some hash browns, some potato O'Brien, potatoes in the bottom, that's for sure. Yeah, those look pretty good. Okay, now we're going to whisk up 10 eggs. That'll do, right? Let's find out. Hey, not too bad. To the eggs, we'll add a cup of milk. Calling that a cup. Teaspoon of onion powder. Half teaspoon of garlic powder. Half teaspoon of salt. And a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Oops. Alright, we're ready to assemble. We'll start with the leftover potatoes. That's not enough. I'm gonna add some frozen potatoes too. On top of the potatoes, we'll add our egg mix. Okay, we will add a package of cheddar-y blended cheese. Now our bacon and our onion. And one more layer of cheese. Tell you what, this is perfect hangover food. We're ready to go to the hot coals. Are you seeing that? Are you seeing that? Totally forgot the peppers. Let me put those on. It's supposed to go on top of the potato, or about the egg mixture. So we'll just do our best. Blech. Okay. Now we're ready to go to the hot coals. We'll bake our casserole at 350 for 1 hour. To reach a 350 oven, we need 10 briquettes on bottom and 20 on top. If you want to know how I use briquette placement for temperature control, go ahead and click on the video description. We rotate the oven and the lid every 10 minutes to prevent hot spots or scorching. It's been on for 70 minutes. Oh, that looks delicious.
That was
Yeah, it
good.
does. Calling it done.
This is really good.
Breakfast casserole. Wonderful. Turned out so good. It is fluffy with the eggs and cheesy. So good. Highly recommend you give it a shot, especially if you have a big family to feed. And tote that Dutch oven with you if you go on vacation. This is Cast Iron Katie. Thanks so much for watching. Oh, you know what I did?
This is really good.
I didn't record any of it. I had it paused, and so instead of hitting the pause button to start it again, I